Hey Kitchen Warriors, Erica here, and today we are talking about the countertop beast that just replaced my oven, air fryer, toaster, and dehydrator all in one shot. Imagine crispy wings in 12 minutes, juicy steak with perfect crust, homemade yogurt that sets itself overnight, and steam roasted veggies that taste garden fresh. No babysitting, no guessing, just push button perfection. That is the FOTILE ChefCubii 4-in-1 air fryer, steamer, oven, and dehydrator that is blowing up kitchens in 2025. If you are tired of cluttered counters, dry chicken, or waiting forever for dinner, stick around because this compact monster might be the last cooking appliance you ever buy. Link in the description as always. Grab it there to support the channel at zero extra cost. Let us fire it up. First, let us break down why the FOTILE ChefCubii is a total kitchen game changer. This is a true 4-in-1 with a massive 4.2 quart capacity, 1,700 watts of power, and 4 cooking modes: air fry, steam, bake, and dehydrate. Temperature goes from 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit with 1 degree precision, and the built-in steam generator keeps food juicy while the top and bottom heating elements plus convection fan deliver even browning every single time. You get 40 preset smart programs, everything from wings and fries to salmon, yogurt, proofing bread, and jerky, plus full manual control. The touchscreen is bright and simple. The stainless steel interior wipes clean, and the double-layer glass door stays cool to the touch. Accessories include an air fry basket, baking tray, steam rack, dehydrating racks, and a water tank that pulls out like a drawer for easy filling. Setup is literally plug and play, fill the tank, pick your mode, and go. I have been cooking with it daily for 2 months. Wings come out crisper than my old air fryer, salmon stays moist thanks to steam combo mode, and I even baked a perfect cheesecake at 200 degrees. Cleanup is stupid easy because nothing sticks. Pros and cons time, because we keep it real. Pros: 4 real cooking functions in one box. Steam keeps everything juicy. Presets actually work. 1 degree temp control. Huge capacity for a family of 4. Quiet fan, cool door, dishwasher-safe accessories. No preheating needed for most modes. At around $230, it is cheaper than buying a separate air fryer, steamer, and dehydrator. Cons: $230 is an investment. The water tank needs refilling for long steam sessions. It is taller than a standard toaster oven, so measure your counter height. And there is a tiny learning curve for the combo steam air fry modes. Do I recommend the FOTILE ChefCubii? 1000% yes if you cook daily, hate dry food, or want to free up counter space. This thing replaced 4 appliances for me and everything tastes better. Perfect for busy parents, meal preppers, or anyone who wants restaurant results at home. Quick call to action: if this kitchen beast fired you up, smash subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss the next upgrade. Clicking the affiliate link keeps the reviews coming and costs you nothing. One last reminder, grab the FOTILE ChefCubii through the link below for the best pricing and our special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, team. If this upgraded your meals, drop a like, share with a foodie friend, or subscribe for more. Cook like a boss.